Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
F keys run functions like help, rename, search, and brightness controls. They sit in a row labeled F1 through F12. Most laptops use an Fn key to toggle primary F key behavior. Some keyboards default to media or system commands instead of standard F actions. Desktop keyboards often send F key codes directly to software. These keys map to shortcuts in operating systems and applications. Learn the default mode first, and then practice common F key actions in your programs. Press F1 for help in many apps and browsers. Use F2 to rename files quickly in Windows Explorer. Press F3 to open search or repeat last search in many programs. F4 often repeats the last action in some editors or opens address bars with Alt. F5 refreshes pages and reloads content in browsers reliably. Press F11 to toggle full screen in browsers and many apps. Learn these core shortcuts for efficient navigation and faster workflow. Toggle FN lock in BIOS or via an FN lock key on many laptops. Enter BIOS or UEFI settings to change default F key behavior when needed. Remap F keys using system settings or third-party tools like Auto Hotkey on Windows. On Mac OS, use system settings or function keys preferences per app. Check drivers and keyboard layout if F keys send unexpected commands or nothing at all. Test keys in a text editor to see raw input codes. Keep firmware and keyboard drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.